Welcome to Phase 3 Video 3. So far we learned Python basics and how to work with data. Now comes to an important question. What exactly is machine learning? So in this video I will explain machine learning from builder's point of view, not from buzzword perspective. We will not use complex math or heavy algorithm yet. We will understand the idea clearly. So let's move on. Machine learning is fundamentally about pattern recognition. Instead of programming explicit instruction, we provide data and allow algorithm to learn from example. This learning process involves identifying correlation and trend within dataset to predict outcome for new unseen input. So what we can say is machine learning is a way for computers to learn pattern from data. Instead of writing rules manually, we give data and let the computer learn relationship. Machine learning is not intelligence, it's a pattern recognition using data. So from builder perspective, machine learning has four main steps. Step number 1, collect data. Step number 2, prepare data. Step number 3, train a model. And step number 4, use the model to make prediction. We already started step 2 in the previous video, so let's move on. Machine learning can be compared to human learning through experience. Let's understand how. Think about how a child learns. A child sees many examples, makes mistakes, and improves. Machine learning works in a similar way. More data means better learning. Okay, so let's define inputs and outputs. So I'll import pandas as pd. Let's reuse a simple data set. So data equals to hours TUDIED studied 1 2 4 6 8 comma exam score underscore score, and here 35 40 55 70 and 85. Okay, df equals to pd dot data frame, and we will pass data, then df. Let me run it. Okay, so this is supervised learning. We have inputs and we have known outputs. So the model learns relationship between them. The input is called feature, and the output we want to predict is called target. So in this example, hours studied, this is feature, and exam score, this is target. So machine learning is about mapping features to target. Now let's see split features and target. So we define x to df hours underscore TUDIED and y equals to df. Here I'll pass exam underscore score. Now x comma y, and let's run it. Okay, so this separation is, a core ML concept. Models never see raw tables; they see inputs and outputs. So, what a model really is? You know, machine learning model is not a magic. It is just a mathematical function that learns from data. Training means, adjusting parameters to reduce error. So we will define a very simple model. Okay, so from sklearn scikit-learn dot linear underscore model import linear regression. So regression. So we are using a very simple model. Don't worry about the library. Let's focus on the idea. So from this model equals to linear regression. Okay, and then model dot fit, and we will pass x comma y. Let's see. So here we can see the result is saying it's a fitted. So this is called, training. The model is learning pattern from, data. So now let's make a prediction and see what happens. So model dot predict, and we will pass 5. Let's run it. Okay, so we have received a warning message here. So what happened in that? We have trained the model like, like this. Okay, we have trained model like this, but during training scikit-learn remembers the feature name, which is our studied. But when we predicted, we gave value. Okay, this is the value we passed, and it has no columns name. It is just a raw list. So scikit-learn says, I was trained with feature names, but now you give me data without names. That is why it is throwing this error. X does not have valid feature name. So how to fix it? So to fix this, we can use a data frame for prediction, just like, training. So what we can do here is new data to pd dot data frame, and then what we will do, we will pass HURS underscore STUDIED, and then we will pass value and close. Now model dot predict, predict, and we will pass this new underscore data. Let's run it. Okay, so here we got the value. Now this warning message is gone. So this is a prediction. The model is, estimating exam score for 5 hours of study. So this is actual machine learning in action. What machine learning is not? Well, machine learning does not understand. It does not think, it does not reason like humans. It finds patterns based on examples. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. We are focusing on supervised learning first. This is the most practical and widely used. And later on, we will move on. Common beginner mistakes. So, the common beginner mistakes are jumping to complex models too early without understanding the fundamentals. Ignoring data quality, trusting accuracy without understanding, and again skipping fundamentals, which we just discussed. Machine learning is about learning patterns from data that we talked about. A model maps inputs to output, training adjusts parameters, prediction uses learned patterns. Data quality matters more than algorithm. In the next video, we will go deeper into types of machine learning problems. We will understand classification versus regression clearly. This will prepare us for real projects. Don't rush. Understand matters more than speed. You are learning AI the right way. See you in next video. Thank you.